This video is pure RGB dazzle. Only the bravest of heart should enter. Alright guys, welcome to the light show. You got one button that can lock out the controller so that buttons can't accidentally get pressed to change it. Everything else is just changing the lights. So as you can see, here we are going through them. Enermax includes a lot of pretty decent default settings here. I really like what they've got for options. You do not have any kind of addressable RGB syncing with motherboards. It's all built into this controller. So, that's just one of the, I wouldn't call it necessarily a bad thing because of how many options they have. But, just something to keep in mind. Here's our solid colors now. We got, actually this looks like a slow fade transition. Some of them are pretty slow, but this one's not too bad. It's gradually changing to different shades. Another breathing effect. Let's see if it changes colors in the breathing effect. Drum roll. Okay, we're enough. There's the red. So yeah, now we're getting into our solid colors. Blue, yellow, green. Sorry, just seeing if you're paying attention there. Lighter blue, white. And it looks like we're back to our first color. I hope you guys enjoyed that light show. Come back again next time and we'll try to show you even more colors. What can I say, guys? Enermax does a great job with their lighting effects. For those of you who are wanting to tie in with other RGB lighting controls on your motherboard, you might be a little disappointed, but for those of you who just want the light show and you want options with it, Enermax gives you plenty of those on their own. Just really need a standard for RGB control so that everything's the same, and then you probably wouldn't have problems with syncing. Overall, I really love what Enermax did though with their lighting controls. I think it looks fantastic. If you guys are wanting more of an installation guide and help on how to install this unit, I'll have a video up there for that. And if you are looking for actual performance numbers, noise levels, cooling performance, I have a video for that separately as well. You can check them right around there. Thanks for watching this. I will catch you later.